Hi guys, so how to fix Instagram story problem? First thing, go to the settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps, now go to the apps right here, click on Instagram, click on storage, click on clear data and click on delete and go back, click on this force stop right here and then go to the Play Store and search for Instagram and update it. That's it. Very easy and simple tutorial. Now don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the very end. See you later.